How to save PowerPoint on desktop. Firstly, open the PowerPoint application on your device. Once opened, you will see all the projects that you have done. You can click on any existing project. However, just to show you guys, I'm gonna click on a random template. Once the template has been opened, edit it as you like. I'm just gonna write subscribe. Once you have done that, now you will need to save the file. At the top left corner, click on File. Now go to Save As. Now you can directly save it to your PC or you can click on Browse. I would recommend you to click Browse as it gives you option where to save it. Now select the location where you would like to save the file. It could be in your downloads or any drives in your PC. If you want, you can rename the file. Also, you can change the file type. But it is not that much necessary as you are using PPT to save PPT files. Once that is done, click on Save to save the file. Once you have done this, you can open your folder and check if the file has been saved or not. That's all for today. Thank you.